Yes, so welcome back. Big up to all of my viewers and subscribers. What go on, my people? Yeah, I'm from on the city thumbnail and the title. Then you already know what is on the agenda today. So consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also, give this video a like. Yeah, man, just like up the video now. Yeah, and also share up the content so that others can be in the know. But you know how we do it thing over here. You see me? We just going to jump in at the intro fast and come right back to the video. So no, don't go nowhere. We soon forward.
Coulda never forget where me come from. No matter what me do, me a born Jamaican.
So now people, I know you all have just seen the title and the thumbnail. You see me I say, and basically in this video here we have Jaii and Walk and Talk and the podcast. Let's be honest. You see me I say, and basically them I say at the end of the day Shenseea flop out now because a long time, many years right now, Shenseea don't get a hit song. You see me I say, and really and truly when you look into it, yeah, kinda true, but really and truly people, me also want full opinion on this topic. You see me I say, whoa, no really think. One of things say yo. At the end of the day, Shenseea flop out right now and baiting because really and truly, even the song with Megan Thee Stallion and so forth, you see me I say, yeah, that song they never really gone nowhere neither, you see me I say. So basically the two man them dep on the show and the two man them a discuss it at the end of the day. Shenseea flop out where she no get a hit song from she cross over a certain way, you see me I say. From she go sign to the international producer them, yeah, it's like Shenseea thing flop out because it's like Shenseea lost in herself. You see me I say, because people even make video on the internet and I say, yo, who is Shenseea? Why she change? Why she a twang now and I try to be so American and be a thing? You see me I say people, but I be a thing the man them are talking at the video, yeah, and Jaii Frais really a touch certain point where yeah, me really want to take in the video to get the whole understanding of everything with me I say. You see me I say, so here what, me I gonna make you check it out right now and you can just drop on honest thoughts in the comment section on this situation.
You know who flop?
Oh,
Shenseea.
Shenseea flop?
Big time. I'm gonna answer that with no means of disrespect. I think Shenseea is a phenomenal artist. I don't know, man, I don't care who want to vex. But Shenseea has not found a hit record in years. And pre, and if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. But I know I'm right.
True.
Shenseea have a song produced by ATL Jacob. You know ATL Jacob? And then man they produce for Future and Drake. You understand about I'll wait for you. You hear ATL, Jacob, ATL.
Yeah.
She do a song with she and Skilly.
Yeah.
The song Skilly depon book. Be a f***er.
And them go f***er go and make people.
We know. Right? She goes to again, she have a song with Megan Thee Stallion, bro. Some boy lick. Open your mouth, that still never gone away. That not chart.
But she have a code for the song.
Huh?
But she have a code for the song.
She have what?
She have a code for the song.
Regardless, song still never do what it's supposed to do.
Oh.
Now what day again, she do a song with a girl named Lola Brooke. The song there, it young, my shot, but I don't think it's gonna shot. Is it me? Shenseea, you're a Jamaican. You're the first artist I've seen where international folks are doing videos saying what happened to her. I thought she was Jamaican, now she's twanging. Be yourself. Your biggest song them are still rebel and trending down them song there. It's a reason. Be yourself, be authentic. And this we are talking about now. So look on it now, you know. And we are talking about business. And we are talking about what thing common sense.
Ready to say.
Right? You go so now as a label and you sign the artist girl out of Jamaica. Not even artist girl, the artist out of Jamaica, right?
Artist girl is sexy too.
Right? Me watching now sign she. I'm watching her make the money from she. Who you feel like I Jamaica to sign nobody? When I see you flop.
When I sign nobody.
Me I got Africa.
I got a big fan. I got a big force when we sign them.
You get where you try to come from?
So basically people, I want to really tell me what you really think. Yeah, what are your thoughts on what Jaii has said right you say? You see me I say, because basically him and name out numerous of collaboration where Shenseea really do. You see me I say, even with Skilly Bang and as what I said before with Megan Thee Stallion. But really and truly none of them no really gone away from she really cross over. And I really fucks that. You see me I say, because at the end of the day, you know, your Shenseea get no big tune. If you years now. You see me I say enough people even say Shenseea lose her way. And you know it's like she makes certain song to where it kinda demonic in a some sense where you don't know say yeah real Jamaicans not in that. You see me I say and basically the people them I say yo Shenseea sell out. You see me I say no for them I say yo even down in the comment section say yo Shenseea is not herself again and rate the elites them control her and baiting. You see me I say. But basically at the end of the day people I just want to know what is your thoughts on this situation. You see me I say yes, so please just drop your thoughts down into the comment section and make we discuss this situation. You see me I say. But coming up in this other video, well basically we have Amari here. You see me I say, and basically Amari I say at the end of the day she released a song for GullyBop. You see me I say, and you don't know RIP to GullyBop to same speed. You see me I say. But at the end of the day she said she released a song for GullyBop and you see me the song up on iTunes and baiting. And really and truly she give a little piece of the song right as a people. So I want to check it out and tell me what you think about all of this down into the comment section. You see me I say, because the comment section under this video, yeah, I want to tell you say I'm baiting the people that talk about Amari and baiting, but I will get back to that. You see me I say. So just check out the video right now and tell me what you think.
Song out. It's called Where's Bob on iTunes and everything. You want to hear it?
Yeah, I want to hear it.
Was this yesterday on stage? Ninja Man GullyBop create each ways on.
For the clash.
For the clash. Tell the dirty girl them me done left Bob Every boy want to walk off for me. Order.
I don't know.
I picture you a run down, run come catch me. Full of juice, enough glamity. Lyrics galore, freestyle, fresh freaks. I'm the best, no contest. One got Uzi whip, one got arrest. Remember me, cyberspace queen. Bopping vegetarian, I swear it eats meat. Say, where's Bob? Yo! Big up to GullyBop.
I don't know.
So people, I want to really tell me what you really think about this song. You see me I say, yeah, I want to grade it on a scale of 1 to 10. You see me I say, and tell me if you think the song bad or what. You see me? Because under this video, as well I said before, yeah, the people them in the comment section I say at the end of the day, yo, say, yo, Amari mad out and oh she looks so. And basically, a whole heap of thing the people them I say, yo, I don't even want to mention because I don't want to sound like I am, you know, bringing down Amari. You see me I say, but just tell me what you think about all of this down into the comment section. Yeah, but everything we want to see in the video to same speed. You see me I say. Also, consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also, give this video a like and share up the content so that others can be in the know. But you already know how we do the thing over here. Peace, love, unity, bless up every day, every time. I'm out.